What type of fishing are we doing today?
Madai
fishing! Yes, okay. We have come to our last episode of this 4 series bottom fishing technique videos. Okay, during this last episode, right, we'll use this thing called the Madai. Okay, Madai is something similar to Tenya. It is a sinker with hooks, but the difference is Tenya has the hook fused into the Tenya body itself, but for Madai, right, there are two hooks, there are two SC's hooks. So how to hook up a Madai? Basically, you grab a prawn, one hook hooked by the tail, and the other hook hooked somewhere near the front, either at the head or the first segment of the prawn. Okay, after you hook up the prawn, right, because it is similar to Tenya, basically how you work the Madai is also same as Tenya. Just drop all the way to the bottom. Wait until it reaches the seabed, and then close your bail arm or stop the line from going out. After it reaches the seabed, then start to keep knocking. The thing about Madai is it is to simulate octopus, like grabbing onto a live prawn. So you have to keep knocking. So the Madai has these plastic strands. It acts like the legs of the octopus. So it's very effective to attract fish such as grouper, because it makes your bait much bigger. So for fish that like big baits, right, such as groupers, right, they will like this kind of presentation. So as you drift along the seabed, you just do something like this. Keep knocking, and if the seabed drops down, release more line. And this is the technique. So today we'll drift at areas that there are more groupers and see whether this method is effective or not. Wow, double hookup. 走前面一点，走前面一点。这样放松一下啊。来练。就是在OK， 哇 Yeah, we lower the rod, just reel in the line. Oh yes, it's coming up. Just guide the grouper into the net. Oh yes. Your first fish in Singapore? Okay, so what type of fishing are you using now? Okay, but this one is a bit too small, let's release it. Oh yes, it's coming up. Wow. Another of the grouper. Today you have luck with grouper. Okay, now you can high five. Well done. So, what do you feel after catching your second fish?
Good. Easy.
Whoa. Wow. 太厉害了你，来给我 high five。父子团。哇！又跟进来 ，so far 也是好，也是跟马代一样是 artificial，虽然要说马代啊 ，but on slow fall， but still artificial jig, artificially 哦，用那个杆拉那个鱼起来，啊，然后再转，让杆拉起来，再转，下去的时候，杆下去的时候才转啊，对。
OK，肯定啊。
对，上来了，上来了。
到了，看到了。
OK， 用那杆拉那个鱼起来啊。哦 ，yes。你已经钓了这么多，你还问这个是什么鱼？来 ，high five！ 耶！哇哦 ！Second one。看来 you're trying to beat Madai, is it with your slow fall? We have another double hookup. One is by slow fall, and the other one is by, of course, Madai. So
Very good. Fantastic. It's fantastic. 来，拍照。
来，我们拍个照，然后就把它放了吧。OK， 拜拜，长大只一点以后再来给我们钓 ，OK？ OK， 放。啊。This. Oh shit. Was this your what? Second? Second. Okay, not bad. So, how do you feel? 还讲很大 ，OK 啦吧，not bad 啦。
哎，它吃很高嘞，我以为是 Queenie 耶。
哇，看来 looks like 呢 slow fall also can beat Madai 啊。对，来我们来放了这个鱼。OK， 好放。Okay, let's come to release this fish. Just now the swim bladder was too full. Now I think can go back down already. Yep. We have come to the end of our Madai fishing trip. As you can see, the weather is quite bad. I'm speaking to you in the rain. Okay, today we have very heavy rain in the morning and now also heavy rain in the evening. So we only have a window period of fishing in the afternoon. But the fishing was excellent. We have a lot of takes, and because of some mistakes from the anglers, right, we missed like at least 1,000 misses. So but still we caught about 13 groupers altogether on Madai, and some maybe on Apollo, but basically mostly on Madai. So from this trip we can say that Madai is very effective for bottom feeders like groupers because they like big bait. The difference between Kenya and Madai is, for Madai it's easier to set the hook because two hooks are assist hook. It's easier for inexperienced anglers to set it in rather than Kenya. So from what I see from this trip, Madai is a preferred method than Kenya if you are going to fish for bottom fish. And Kenya is more suitable for experienced anglers. And okay, in our next episode, I will do a conclusion for all four methods, and we compare the pros and cons of what are the benefits and what are the places suitable and what type of fish is suitable for which kind of fishing method. Basically, overall, we are quite satisfied with the performance of Madai today, and it is suitable for even inexperienced angler to use it. I'm Captain Q from Wanderlust Adventure. See you in our next episode.